I'm just interested in elevators.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Stay here?
Yeah, I got a buddy here. Have a good one.
All right.
Here's the original elevators. Those ones are decommissioned though. You see? These ones are decommissioned. They don't work. No more. Oh dear, let's catch this. Oh, jeez, we gotta wait. Oh, I got this one again. This is Tower on Maumee. Tower on the Maumee, pardon me. Capacity is 3,500 pounds. Ah.
Thank you.
No problem. Have a good one. Actually, before we go, let's get a pic of that panel. Look at the old lobby panel here.